Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar has said that the state government has submitted 1,082 urban development projects to the central government under the Urban Challenge Fund with a total estimated cost of 1.2 lakh crore rupees. Speaking after returning from a 2-day visit to New Delhi, D.K. Shivakumar stated that the Karnataka government has requested the centre to increase its financial support beyond the current allocation of 5,500 crore rupees and also extend assistance to projects that are ongoing and those that have already been tendered. In a statement shared on X, he stated that out of the total project proposals worth 1.2 lakh crore rupees, the state expects the central government to contribute approximately 32,000 crore rupees to 35,000 crore rupees. He emphasized that Karnataka requires greater support to successfully implement these urban development projects and urged the centre to consider a higher allocation. He also said that he had informed the central government that if other states do not fully utilize their share of the grant under the Urban Challenge Fund, Karnataka is ready to take that allocation as well. During his Delhi visit, D.K. Shivakumar, who also serves as the Bengaluru Development Minister, met several union ministers including Union Minister Manohar Lal Khattar and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh to discuss the state's funding requirements and development priorities. And will the Urban Challenge Fund finally meet the state's expectations for faster and larger infrastructure growth? Let us know in the comment section. Stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.